Finally, iOS 18 available to download and update your iPhone with the new system. Now, in this video, we'll talk about the most important features and improvement to the system that can help you achieve your daily tasks. Start first with our home screen. Home screen, now we can do more customization than before. Tap and hold. Now you can see all the icons here. We'll go with the obvious things. The change is you can drag any icon and drag it anywhere in the home screen, not going to be auto-arranged with the rest. So you can place it anywhere you want, the way you want it. If you notice now, there is an option called Edit on the top left corner. Now there's a important features called Customize. Customize here, you can bring for you this kind of options. You can change the icon from small to large, and you can notice now the label or the names of these icons are disappeared when you make it larger. And you can see below, you have the light color, you have the dark, and you have the automatic one, which is can change by the day and night time. And you have the tinted one, which is interested to change it the way you wanted, the colors you require to match maybe with your background or the color you wanted for your screen. So you can see in the top, you can change the colors. You can see the intensity of the colors. You can even choose the color from the background by selecting this pen and select maybe I want this color, and based on that will apply to this icon. And you can see the sun icon on the left side that will make it lighter or darker background. Another feature on the home screen or the applications, which is something related to the security. You can play with add a second layer of protection to some application, even third-party application. Like we have TikTok here, you can hold and tap on this application, and you can see here, acquire a Face ID that will ask you to use the Face ID to access this application. If you tap it, now we'll ask you just require Face ID. You can even hide it and require a Face ID. If you can see, if you click hide or click on hide Face ID, now the application will disappear and you can find it on the group applications under hidden application here. And you can see here, this is the application we hid. If you click it, now we'll ask you for Face ID, and based on that, we'll ask you to access this application. This will give you some privacy and security for the application you want. If you want to remove the security on this application, simply say don't require a Face ID, and the application will move back again to the home screen. We'll talk about now the lock screen customizations. As you can see below, we have always two icons, maybe the flashlight or the camera. If you decide you don't want these two icons, the shortcuts, you can simply go to the screen here or the icon and remove it. Then you can just simply add any other icon or shortcut you want from this list to fast access this application. So you can see all this kind of list available for you to choose from. Now we'll talk about all changes happen to the control center. You can see on the top right, now there is a switch off button there to switch off your mobile phone. On the left side, you have the plus sign to just use it now to customize this control center now. This is more interesting now to even drag anything and arrange it or even resize it. Additionally, you can even add more shortcuts to this control center by just clicking below and select any of these shortcuts that give you a quick access to this screen. Now, additionally, they have added on the right side, you can see here the heart sign here, the icon, which is your favorite icons. And the second one is the music one, which you can add or play your music. And the third page, you can see all the connection type you have, so you can switch on and switch off between all of these. This is a great way to access all these icons from the control center. Another thing you'll notice is there is an application called Passwords, and this password you'll be able to see all the password being created for the application, for the website, and you can view everything here. And basically, you can do all the editing, removing, changing, or sharing. This feature was available under the settings menu, but here is actually being set or being collected in one place to manage all your passwords or security password in one place. You can even view it, share the QR code, or forget the network in case if you have some Wi-Fi connection, and apply it, of course, to the rest of the kind of password you have stored for some website well, account or any other applications. So I think it's a good application to store all your password and manage it in one place. The other great thing is between the work between the calendar and the reminders. And when you're trying to create some reminder or some events, when you click maybe on the 3rd of October, I'm just going to add some reminder. As you can see, there's an event and there's a reminder on the top. So when you click reminder, you can say I want to edit, let's say for example, editing my video and make a reminder on that date on Thursday or 3rd October. If I add, I can see the reminder is there on that calendar. If you go to reminders, as I can see here, it's been integrated and it's available right now under reminders. And it works the other way around. If you add anything reminders, you can find it also on the calendar. So it works perfectly between these two. The other changes or the improvement in the calculator, as you can see, this is a normal classic calculator. If you click on the calculator, you can see now is scientific. You can see this is the changes, and you can see the math notes as well. Type any calculation. If you hit the equal, this notes work is like, and this will give you the results when you type in any notes in this math notes. As well, you can use back to basics, and here you can use also another thing called convert, and here you can change between currency, area, data, energy, whatever is it. So you can do the conversion between the two units. There's more improvement and features in iOS 18, either to messages or Safari or even AI integration, if your iPhone support that. Let me know if you are updated to iOS 18 and what do you like most of these features, and if this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you on next one. Peace.